Hello dear friends, it's pretty easy to send location on the WhatsApp. Just follow some simple steps that I'm showing here in this video. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp. Now first you need to select the person or the user that you want to send your location, okay? Now look at the bottom, you see some options here. Just click on this attachment icon. Now look at the third option from the left side, just click on it. Now you get two options here, share live location and share your current location. After sending your location, if you are gonna be in the same spot until the receiver meets you, then you can send your current location. But after sending your location, if you're gonna be moving somewhere else, then you can send your live location so that the receiver can trace your exact location. So to send your current location, just select this option, send your current location. And as soon as you click on this option, your location will be sent to that person. For example, if I click on this option, now see the location has been sent. And now I'm gonna share the live location to you. Click on share live location. And when you share live location, you get three options here, 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 8 hours. If you select 15 minutes, the receiver will be able to trace your live location within 15 minutes. And as the 15 minutes get expired, the receiver won't be able to trace your exact location. Okay? So, when you share your live location, select the higher number, 1 hour or 8 hours. And after selecting your hours, just click on the send button and your live location will be sent to that person. That's it. So this is the process to send location on WhatsApp. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.